iQOO Neo 10R could be the first R-series model in the Neo lineup. iQOO Neo 10R will be launched in India February 20th. The iQOO Neo 10R has a similar design and chip as the iQOO Z9 Turbo Endurance Edition. The teaser posts show the phone's blue color. Just Neo 10R features a distinct design compared to the Neo 10 and Neo 10 Pro. The handset will sport a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate. The iQOO Neo 10R will be powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. With two RAM configurations, 8GB plus 256GB and 12GB plus 256GB. The iQOO Neo 10R can feature a dual-camera setup which includes a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 primary sensor and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. A 16-megapixel front-facing camera, it can pack a 6,400 mAh battery with 80W charging support. The iQOO Neo 10R is tipped to be priced under 30,000 rupees. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.